In this video, I'll show you how you can create an alarm on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now all you have to do is open the alarm application on the watch. So to do this, on the home screen on the watch face, press the crown button once to access all the applications, and then find the alarm clock or the alarm app and tap on it. Now at this point, simply tap on the plus icon to create an alarm, and then you have to choose in the hour and the minute that you'd like that alarm to go off. So choose the hour that you'd like it to go off. So let's say, for instance, 9 a.m. or let's say 8 a.m. And then you can tap on the minutes section and choose the minute that you'd like for it to go off. And then once you're done, tap on the check mark at the bottom. And then now you should get to this section whereby the repeat section, which you can choose if you want this alarm to ring once, or if you want it to be every day, or if you want to set a custom date for that particular alarm. So let's say, for instance, if you want a custom date, simply tap on custom and choose the dates that you'd like it to go off. So let's say Tuesday and Friday. So once you're done, tap on the check mark down there, and now you can see that particular alarm has been created on your OnePlus Watch 4. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.